Part of this, Papa. I'm not part of this. You never booked for this.
You can't go home then.
You never booked for this.
I can't go home now.
But you can look for this.
Me look for it, I can't get it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Let me look.
No, don't nobody look down this so you're not getting none of that.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Go, baby. Eat the shrimp, day. Good bird. Yeah.
Now when I cook the shrimp, I'm gonna cover it because it got too much water. So now I cook this now, make it cook. And then what I do? I need some of the shrimp finish, man. Like this.
Yeah. And see why I'm not going to eat none. This is going to make it.
Because I make my own sauce, y'all. I don't like the Alfredo in the bottle. No disrespect to nobody or anything. We'll cook the one in the bottle. But me prefer make my own from scratch.
Right.
I just saw the thing set. And I'm stirring my pasta. I want the pasta al dente, so I'm not gonna let it boil too long because I don't want it soggy. It don't taste good when it's soggy like that. When done cook, I'm gonna bed and relax to my baby, right?
Right.
Right,
baby.
Yeah, man. I'll be a big chef to you now, people. But I'm gonna do the chef thing tonight. I'm chef boy I need tonight.
Where just started?
What?
Omeawa?
Big chef.
Oh. So yeah, try prank me what they talk about me. Yeah? You see? Yeah man. Yeah man, you see go? Yeah. I'll be a big chef now.
The body that feel is enough to go watch that prank now. Make sure I watch the prank, you know. Yeah man.
You can't fix it when you want it.
Yeah, so I'm tell you what happened already.
Yeah.
Are we my
Yeah.
We all look on my shrimp, it's well seasoned, you know? Look at season turn up. Smell nicey. What ya? Oh, I did.
I'm not video like I'm in a dance.
Oh, RASHKAMAR Entertainment, I give them some hungles.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, no, Maybe I'm not part of this, Papa. I'm not part of this. You never booked for this.
You can't go home then.
You never booked for this.
I can't go home now.
But you can look for this.
Me look for it, I can't get it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Let me look.
No, don't nobody look down this so you're not getting none of that. You get last night, where?
Last night.
Babes, you know you never remember every time.
Man, I dream,
you don't remember.
You sure I dream, baby?
You don't remember?
No.
Oh, but I forget you something for refresh your memory.
Yeah. I feel, I say, oh yeah, this me feel last night. Yeah. Right, baby?
You know, we get last time.
Yeah, the shrimp smell nice.
Yeah, it smells good. It smells real nice. And you see it a cook and it now no whole heap of water. And the seasoning stick because when it sweat with the whole heap of water, the water melt off the.
You did go to gym, baby?
Why?
You set a foot.
Why? Yes, it make the season stick better when it
Yeah, because when the water and you wash it off. So like also the sauce or the gravy or taste nice and the shrimp now go nice.
Yeah. Just stick on. I got 2 more minutes for the pasta and then I'm gonna drain the pasta. And you don't know. I need for
I get the drain off you.
Yeah, thank you, baby. Thank you, my baby.
Get the drainer.
Nobody says nobody wants to say no. I love my husband. Oh, and I can't talk it off air and on air. Me love my husband because he's different. from most men. I'm sorry, he is.
So,
And he's,
yeah.
yeah.
But remember, say me and Muga come from the same place, you know, Islington, St. Mary, you know.
But don't get me wrong, in the people. He was never always like this.
You know, baby?
He worked on it. What?
I tell you, say, remember, say me and Muga come from the same place, you know, Islington, St. Mary. And we say, oh, what's that? Them different!
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We thought, because you know how much artists me turn in the blog them? Spice. Who else? Duffy. Who else? What if people me turn?
Shenyang.
Shenyang. Make gal get upset. Them sick of me. I beg God now make you get rid of me. And not everybody get my energy. Me love my own company. Them too bad mind. Poor yo. You don't like me and me don't even know yo. Full of bad spirit like the big girl yo. Hey. Style show yo. All the success. Make them vex. While compete like say a contest. When me do good that get them vex. Whoa. I lie. No people, but real talk though. I try it.
Alright. Pasta, shrimp, and secret seasoning. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Come in pan that. Yeah. You hear it a bubble?
And then
Alright, so my sauce, you know.
my sauce, I'll go in there now. Because Alfredo don't live here. My sauce.
RASHKAMAR. Ready?
Yeah, baby.
Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Nice.
Yeah, but too steep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, puppy.
And if you even itch or burn or catch, you don't know if you scrape off the part of catch here.
Catch, yeah.
Okay. So,
It's not gonna taste nice.
without rasta, it's not gonna nice. Yeah. Yeah, what is 30 minutes?
Yeah.
45 minutes?
It's a quick meal that you can cook at home with kids. You know, sometimes people don't have time to clean up no whole heap of chicken and no oxtail and all them shit there. Sometimes your day is just busy, especially during the week when the kids them have school, they have work, they have, you know, so you just rig up a quick little thing. Or just still a nice meal for the
Alright,
kids.
then I'm gonna wash the plate now, baby. Sorry.
Alright, papi.
Put this first. Now, I'm gonna add some now on the
Okay,
the
papa.
over steam.
No problem, baby.
Yeah, bratellini. Not bratellino, bratellini. Yeah. The one if you just go sleep and wake up a morning, shine your me alone just name that.
Yeah, tell you.
But me
But
know
this I done tonight though.
but me know can't eat none. Remember say my thing set up, you know.
I know.
Yeah, lock it off now, baby. Come here.
Yeah, man, this leaf I
No, this me attack still. You don't know the thing set in what? 30 to 45 minutes, dinner ready. You know what I mean? So you don't know, share, like, and subscribe, you know.
Boom.
Boom, bam, bam, konei.